Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to utilize keyframes in CapCut. All right, so to utilize a keyframe, you can either utilize it as a video keyframe or an effect keyframe or a transition keyframe. So there are different keyframes, right? But they basically do the same thing. You're just controlling that piece of media as you want. So with the effect being selected, we're just going to go up to the video section of it. And right here, we have keyframes for position and size. We have keyframes for blend. We have basically keyframes for a lot of these things. So I'm just going to show you how to utilize keyframes for position and size. So here's the video. And in the beginning, I can just add the keyframe on all of these, right? So I can add a keyframe on the scale. I can add a keyframe on the position of the X and the Y axis and the rotate. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is by adding keyframes to all of them. All of these keyframes have been selected. And now all I'm going to do is bring the player head over to, let's say, this section right over here. And you can see that I added a keyframe by the keyframe showcased in this clip. But now my player head is right over here, and I'm going to increase the scale, right? Increase the scale, move the X axis a little bit, move the Y axis a little bit. Sorry, I don't know why it's not moving. And now the keyframe has automatically been added. So check this out. Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to change your sequence settings for export so that it will fit Snapchat sequence settings. And there you have it, how to utilize keyframes in CapCut. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.